In this module, we'll be covering create, read, update, and delete operations. In this video, we'll be focusing on how to delete documents using MongoDB. We will explore two methods, deleteOne and deleteMany, to remove data from your collections. Let's start with the deleteOne method. The deleteOne method is used to remove the first document that matches a specified filter criteria. Here is the syntax. Collection.deleteOne, with filter and options as arguments. The filter argument specifies which document to delete, and the options argument allows you to configure the deletion operation. Here's an example of how to use the deleteOne method in Python with PyMongo. First, a comment. Delete a specific user by email. Then define result and set it equal to users.deleteOne. The filter is that the email is john@example.com. Then print the deleted count from the result. This code snippet demonstrates how to delete a user with a specific email address from the user's collection and prints the number of deleted documents. Now let's discuss the deleteMany method. The deleteMany method is used to remove all documents that match a specified filter criteria. The syntax is collection.deleteMany, and just like the deleteOne method, you pass a filter and options as arguments. The filter specifies which documents to delete, and the options allow you to configure the deletion operation. Here's an example of how to use the deleteMany method in Python with PyMongo. First, a comment. Delete inactive users. Then define result and set it equal to users.deleteMany. The filter is that the status is inactive and the age is less than 18. Then print the number of users deleted from the result. This code snippet shows how to delete all inactive users under the age of 18 from the user's collection and prints the number of deleted users. Here are the key points. The deleteOne method removes the first matching document from a collection, while the deleteMany method removes all documents that match the specified criteria. Remember to use these methods carefully, as deleted data cannot be easily recovered. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.